To get started, we'll need to go to massiveloop.com. Once there, find the Download tab. We can see a Download for Windows button. Let's select it. This will begin the download process. Once downloaded, locate the Download Massive Loop installer file and double-click it. This will begin the installation process. You can select the installation location or leave it at default. It'll take a minute to load, and click Finish to complete the installation. Once the installation is complete, the Massive Loop Launcher will automatically open up. If it doesn't, you can easily access the Massive Loop Launcher from the shortcut created on your desktop. Let's go ahead and type in our username, our password, and let's click Remember Me. And let's sign in. If we go to settings, we can see that we are signed in as Test Player 01A. Let's go to the Play tab and hit Update. This will begin installing the client. And I'm going to go ahead and hit Desktop Mode. This is going to launch the Massive Loop browser and allow me to start exploring the Massive Loop metaverse.